Hello, Priyesh. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel since I see number of subscribers are keep going every day. So thank you guys that you've been learning from this channel and actually you are growing financially. So guys, I have already started 10K challenge, and if you are interested in 10K challenge, guys, just the number is given in the description below. You can contact me and get yourself registered, and you can learn live trading with me, and there I'll guide you how to increase your portfolio, trading every day. And how, so guys, people are already doing very well into this channel, and they're actually learning life stuffs, right? So what is happening, when to take action and when not to take action, because a lot of you are don't know when to enter into the market, when to exit in the market, and when to take the profits. So sometimes you enter into the market and you lose every major portfolio of it, and you don't know how to hold it, how to control the losses. Since guys, with my mentorship, guys, you are most of the traders are learning very well, they're doing very good. They actually know how to be professional in this uh, trading industry, right? How to be very much professional, and when to take enter into the market and when not to trades. So guys, I do request you to come and join, and it will be a great learning for you guys. And guys, let's talk about tomorrow's analysis. So you guys see on Bank Nifty, it's like a kind of consolidating in the range. As I have already said, that don't trade into the Bank Nifty unless until if it won't break all-time high. And if you want to go the short position, want to make any short position, then Bank Nifty should has to break 46,000, 500 level, and you can see a sharp fall till 500 points to 46,600. Well, I'll not recommend you to stay short on this position, because still Nifty, Bank Nifty is trading all-time high. Let's talk about, guys, Nifty. So Nifty is actually trading very good. It was in the consolidating range. You can see, guys, over here. Now the Nifty has recovered a lot from previous day high. Now it can shows a big momentum up here. So unless and until, guys, tomorrow also we will stay, will not trigger any trade unless and until if it won't break 22,300, we will not trigger any trades. And when it comes to sell side, like short, like, guys, don't trigger any trade unless and until if it breaks 21,950, because elections are coming, market is only giving 100 or 200 points movement. The entire day the market was consolidating, right, guys? You can see how it is consolidating. So most of the trader might have got trapped. Remember, every day is not a trading day, and every day is not a losing day in the market. So know when to enter into the market and know when to exit into the market, and have a proper risk management, guys, because elections are coming, the market will react very badly, and if your position size are good, you are managing your risk properly. So guys, this is very important to manage your risk properly. Uh, so guys, thank you for learning, and please like and subscribe this channel, and happy trading, guys.